How to download Google Forms responses. In order to download the forms responses, first of all, let's go to the Google Form. For that, open any preferred browser, and on the web page bar, you need to type in Google Form and press enter on the keyboard. Let's go to the website of Google Forms and click on Go to Forms button. Here you can select any form that you have created, and as you can see, there is no any responses. So let's click on the send button and copy the link, and let's click on the copy button, and on the new tab let's open it by pasting the link, and let's click on find button and click on submit. So the response has already been submitted, and let's come back, and as you can see that we have got one response here. So in order to download this responses in Google Form, you simply need to click on the three dots at the top right corner, and let's click on download responses. So this responses will be downloaded in CSV format. So let's click on download, and it has already been downloaded, and let's extract this zip. You can click on the right corner and open it as well. If you wish to extract it, you can also extract it. So as you can see that we already have downloaded and opened in the sheet as well. You can also extract it and save it anywhere you wish to. So in this way, you can easily download the responses of the Google Forms. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.